Hello, my loves. Today is July 31st. So in just a moment, I'm gonna like skirt, and I have selected or downloaded all of the members as of right this second and put it on a shoo. And so here we go. Today is the July Members Appreciation Treat. So stay tuned. After these messages, I'll be right back. Granny D, chicka, 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 chicka D. I'm sorry, I get excited. Chickadee, you need to email me because you get a treat. You have a members only treat. So if any of you don't know what I'm talking about, I do a monthly drawing of selected from the members. So if you become a member of the channel at any, the bronze, silver, or gold, you get put on a wheel every month, once a month at the very end, and I shoo, and I spin it, and you can win a treat. So, Chickadee, email me, claim your prize. I love you guys. See you next month. Bye. That was crazy. Bye. It's one of those days. I'm all hyped up because I zened myself. Okay, ready to go now. Okay, bye. I'm so silly.